Yeah. It's 5:20 a.m. Just got to a Walmart here in New Mexico. Let's see what waits ahead on our Hot Wheels hunt. Yeah. I think the toy section is gonna be this way. I think so. But I'm not sure. I see the bicycles and I started seeing some Hot Wheels. Some Hot Wheels products. So let's take a good look real quick. Damn, they got what is the Q case already. Q case. Damn. I don't know what all I got in the don't have. This is a P. This is a Tesla. Damn. Some nice castings for sure. But I don't know. I think there's some Samex in the Q case. Take a look at the Type R in white. Let me take a good look at the pegs. I'll probably try and find a Silverado in all this mess, but let's see what's pegged over here. Some Fast and Furious. Oh damn, they got the desert rallies. Take a good look, man. This thing is full. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Complete. Damn, they don't hold back. They have a whole lot. Desert Rally and some Fast and Furious, which are already taken. But they do have a Mercedes-Benz. Damn. That's the only one that's been left behind. They got some Hot Wheels Mystery Models 3. And yeah, a lot of cool castings. Oh damn, look, they got some cases up there, but they look already opened. Shoot, man, I'm gonna try and see if I can get one down. I'll be right back to you guys. Let me see if I can find a ladder or something. Yeah. Damn, so I got 2 cases down. Let's have a look. Mustangs. Some Police. Panamera. More Mustangs. The Miata. Some Lamborghini. The Alpine. Taking that one. What is this gold? The Astrovan. The Morris Mini. Damn. The Jaguar. Let's see what this is. The Tanner Fox. What? That's crazy. A Tanner Fox in a Q case. That's very wild. A Jaguar Project 8. Damn. Tesla and the Land Rover. Range Rover. Let's see what all is in the other box. About the same exact thing. see. Morris Mini. More of those Range Rovers. Damn, very nice. I don't even know what the regular treasure hunt was. I think it was the Batman or something like that. Not really interested, but eventually I'm gonna have to get me one or two, you know. Damn, makes me think I should go live, but let's see what's on the other side of these boxes. I think there is what you call these ones, the Silverados in these cases, but let me flip the boxes and let me show you guys what's on the other side. So yeah, man, you guys can see this side was already picked, like hardcore. It's hardly anything on this side. Possibly all those Bugattis and Silverados. Oh, the cute case was this one actually, the Porsche GT3. Never seen this casting. Dragon tail. Damn. Now let me flip this other box. Give me just 1 second. This one looks like it's got a little bit more cars. Take a good look, man. Custom 56 Ford. I think this is the Silverado right here. Yeah, boy. Sweet. Heck yeah, man. And you got some rig. The gassers, I mean. Very nice gasser. Ford Focus for the night burners. Damn. Take a good look, man. Probably take a Lamborghini. Damn. Now I know I gotta take down those 3 other boxes. And I gotta put this 2 back. Yeah, give me a second. Alright, so these are the other 2 boxes. Damn. You got this Mercury Cougar. Taking it, of course. Oh man. There's another Ford 56. Sweet. Damn, I might do a quick live just to show you the viewers a little bit of what's going on over here, you know what I'm saying? Heck yes. So this is the regular, yeah, Porsche. Put it back. And this is a Chevy Silverado. Yeah. Let me flip the box once again and I'll show you guys the other side. This is what was on the other side. Mustang, Ford, Miata, Tesla, Land Rover or Range Rover. We'll see. And the Morris Mini. I don't think I have that one actually. I think that was it. Let me flip this one upside down real quick. And well, you got more Range Rovers. You got some Justice League, Hot Wheels Pursuit. This is the Range Rover right here. is this? Lamborghini Huracan. Let's take it. Might as well. This is the Jaguar. It's got like a Spectra flame or something. I'm taking 2 of these. Very nice. And, that's about it, man. Another Tanner Fox R35. It's crazy. But yeah, I'm probably gonna take a box too. I'm gonna empty a box and take one of them. And I see another fellow collector over there already, checking out the Hot Wheels. But we'll see, man. Damn, other than that, take a look, man. Is this like a chase or what? It's got the green wheels. Could have been, but I'm gonna leave it behind. Johnny Lightning. But shoot, man, I'll just go through this real quick and show you guys at the end if there's anything good. Well, might as well show you guys right now. 7,000 pieces. It's a Nissan GTR. Damn, and a bug. Take a look. That one looks nice, and so does that one. Volkswagen Beetle. But I gotta get going, man. I gotta get to my destination. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I would have done the live, but fortunately I can't. I don't have the time. So yeah, see you guys. Yeah, take a look, man. I'm getting closer and closer. This is New Mexico. Take a look. There's a pinwheel. There's the male. There's the female. There is a dog. It's over there. It's a nice looking dog. And what else was there, man? Oh, take a look, man. This is do Rio de Janeiro. Do Sao Paulo. Take a look at that. That's a pinwheel. What else, man? It's a lot of cool balloons. And there's the one representing Arizona. Very nice. There's that Bimbo. There's Dia de Muertos right there, New Mexico. There's all kinds, man. There's way a lot more down on the ground. Still waiting to go up. But yeah, I'm gonna get closer and get some more footage. Stay tuned. Take a look at that koala over there, man. Yeah, I'm getting closer and closer, and then just way too many up in the air already. Yeah. Take a good look, man. Take a look at this guy. There's a Toyota right there, man. Yeah. And well, I'll get more footage up on the ground. Show you guys a whole lot more. This is countless already, man. Countless. Damn, that one over there is huge and bright. Oh, that's the sun. Yeah. Finally stepped on grass. right on the spot. And once again, man, a lot of balloons, a lot of great castings out there. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful castings. Take a look at that. A cow. There's an armadillo right there. Damn, there's a little dog over there in the center. Yeah. And there's way more coming up as well. But yeah. There's the brightest one over there, man. But that is the sun. Yeah, take a look. What is that thing over there, man? Looks like a bandit right there, man. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Man, probably my yeah is gonna get annoying. I'm just gonna stop saying that now. Alright, let's record the takeoff. I got 3 little V's. Yeah, very nice. And I think they're gonna have, I'm gonna pause you guys for a minute and then I'll show you when they are really or actually taking off. Damn, it's been a while and they're still not ready. It's just a lot of people on the way. They don't want to keep distance and they just gave the heads up, taking off. Yeah, it's 3 little bees, huh? These things are humongous. Yeah, there they go. Damn, these things are huge. Huge. And in the meantime, take a look at the rest, man. That's it. I'm gonna cut it right here with the balloon festival. And let's continue the hunt for Hot Wheels.